So over here, you can see that I have multiple applications running right here. So if you want to switch among them, then what you can simply do is click on the title bar right here for each of the application and they become active right here. So alternatively, you can also go around over here on the bottom, and what you can do is you can click on the application icons right here which are running and they simply pop up right here. If they are closed, then they open out right here. But if they're just inactive and on the background, it just gets active. You can also go around, minimize it and make it active over here again. So another thing that you can do is you can switch on the switch out the application that are running by clicking on the task view option right here. So once you click on task view, then you see all of the applications that are running. You can simply click on it to switch to that particular application, as you can see right here. So you can also get to the task view by pressing Windows tab on your keyboard. So you get onto the same option as you can see right here, and you can select it out. Another shortcut key to switch between application is Alt tab. So once you press it together, hold it together, as you can see. So you can go around, press Alt tab, or you can use the mouse button right here to close an application or click on it to actually make it active. And that is how you can switch between applications inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.